So now what we need to do is that we need to fix this problem here. I have a broken HTML code. I forgot here the forward slash with the th here, and if I save and refresh, it is going to be fixed. As you can see, it has been fixed. So it works successfully, and now we have all of the bookings. Whenever I book something, whenever I book, let me go back to the home page and let me show you that it works. So for example, if I book here, let me book this appointment. As you can see, it's gonna say here appointment booked successfully. And if I go to the forward slash my bookings, it should be displayed here. As you can see, I booked this appointment. So it works successfully. Now you might be wondering, what if you want to cancel an appointment? Well, the problem with canceling is that if you give the users the ability to cancel appointments, they will some users will misuse the system and could just book an appointment and then cancel it, and book it again and cancel it and play with your system, and you shouldn't allow users to do that. Therefore, you can here say, here you can display cancel, you can here say cancel th, and then cancel, and then you need to tell the user to call you, so that you have you as the owner or your staff are responsible for canceling. So they can, your people, your business, the hospital is here, call, is responsible and has the power of canceling the appointment. So here I'm gonna say call, please call this number. So it's a fake number. So don't call this number because this is just a fake number for testing. So here cancel, call this number. Please call, let me say here, please call this number. You can say here want to cancel. Let me say want to cancel, and here it's gonna say please call this number. So this is very important. You shouldn't allow users to cancel the appointment or appointments whenever they want, because it's gonna be a problem unless you want to do so for some reason. If you want to allow users to cancel, you can simply delete. You can add a link here that's gonna delete the appointment. So the last thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to display here my bookings in the navigation bar, because as you can see there, I would have to go to my bookings here every single time. Instead of doing that, we need to add it here in the top at the top. So I'm going to open up the header. I'm going to open up the header. I'm going to go to the header. We have here layouts and then header. And then in the header, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a link. And instead of features, you can add my bookings. And then the href is going to be double curly braces, and then root, and then my bookings. Let me now save, and let me head on over to the browser to test. So in the browser, let me refresh. And if I click here on my bookings, it's going to take me to the my bookings. If I go to the home page, and if I click on my bookings, it's going to take me to my bookings. And if I log out, guess what? If I go to dashboard, by the way, you can add a dashboard here. You can add here a link to the dashboard. I'm going to say here, I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it here. And then I'm going to say my dashboard, and then here dash board. And for the home, you can here, for the home, by the way, you can say href, and it's going to be equal to root, and here the root has, I think, the root for the home, it doesn't have a name, so we need to give it a name here. I'm going to say name, and it's going to be home. And here it's going to be home, home, and the brand here, let's say C, and any fake name, and then let me go back and refresh. And as you can see, it's going to display the brand name and then the home. If I click on home, it's going to take me to the home page. If I click on my bookings, it's going to take me to the my bookings. If I click on my dashboard, it's going to take me to the dashboard where I can log in, or where I can check my profile and I can log out. And if you want to customize this, you can open up the dashboard. And I'm not going to be working on the dashboard because this work is just web design, and this is not a web design course. This is Laravel course. So you can here change this completely if you wish to do so, and this is going to change the design of this. And now our system is complete. Lastly, if I log out, let me show you what's going to happen if I log out. So if I log out, I'm going to show you that the system is protected, is fully protected, because now if I click on my dashboard, it's going to take me to the login page. And the login page has the register link.